Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make bananas Fosters. This is a classic New Orleans dessert that has bananas cooked in a warm, buttery rum sauce, served over vanilla ice cream. You are going to love it. You can be making it at home with just a few simple ingredients and you'll be impressing your guests before you know it. To start our dessert, we're going to head over to the stove where all of the magic's going to happen. When making banana Fosters, I recommend to use a flambéed pan or a skillet with a long handle. Using low-medium heat, we're going to heat our pan and melt into that pan a half a cup of salted butter. You could use unsalted butter if you prefer, but be sure to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to that. Even in a sweet dessert, salt is an important factor because it is that flavor enhancer. Once that butter is melted, we're going to add in a 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of nutmeg. Unless you really like nutmeg, then add as much as you want. You do you. Bring these ingredients to a bubble and stir that occasionally. We want these sugars to caramelize for about 4 to 5 minutes. While the mixture is bubbling away, we're going to prepare our bananas. By simply taking 3 semi-firm bananas, we're going to slice those in half lengthwise. Now if you want to slice them into little coins or have those halves, go right ahead. There's no right or wrong way to do this. Our sauce has been simmering and bubbling for about 4 minutes and it's thickened up and caramelized beautifully. We're going to slide those bananas right into that caramel sauce where they're going to cook for about 4 to 5 more minutes and they'll soften up a bit. Carefully stir and spoon that caramel sauce over those bananas as they soften and cook. Once those bananas have cooked and they're softened to your liking, it's time for the magic. Now let me show you the flambéed technique. We're going to turn off our stove. We're going to move this to a safe surface. Now I know a lot of chefs are going to simply do this right on top of that stove, but this is a safer, more approachable option. So what we do here is we're going to add in a half a cup of spiced rum and simply with a long lighter, light that flambé. The fire is cooking out the alcohol and making those final caramelizations oh so good. If you don't want to flambe it, that's okay. Just finish simmering it on the stovetop for 3 additional minutes. Now that that flame has gone out, we're going to spoon this up over some vanilla ice cream and then we are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can get the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayathomechef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.